Let me show you how you can easily benchmark your FileMaker setup and compare it to either my reference test setup or any other FileMaker setup you want to compare. For this you will need to download the bench test tool itself and also one version of the bench test data file. You can download either a small version which takes only about 180 megabytes and generate the test data yourself, which will take a few hours. Or if you have a fast internet connection, you can download the big version, which takes a little bit over 2 gigabytes and 10 gigabytes after expansion. Let me show you first with the small version. So I'll expand the first small version now, put it in the same folder as the bench test tool, and open bench test. As you can see here, there are two new buttons. One lets me generate the test data, which will take a few hours, and the other one offers me to download either the small or the ready-to-use version of the data file. Let me now try with the ready-to-use version. I'll expand it and put it in the folder. And now let me open the bench test tool again. Now you see I'm already offered to perform the standard test because the tool automatically recognized the data. There are some ready-to-use test sets, one for local FileMaker copy, one for single client connected to FileMaker server, and another one for trying multiple workers at the same time. But to make it simple, with this button, the tool automatically recognizes the configuration and chooses the right test set. But obviously, you probably don't want to try a local version of FileMaker and most likely want to try your server or your hosting and compare it to others. So you will want to upload the databases to your own server. Once you have uploaded the files to your server, use FileMaker Pro to connect to the bench test database. The last thing you have to do before starting the test is to unlock the database full access. And once you have opened the full access, you can click on the Perform Standard Test button. Here in this dialog, you will enter some brief descriptive information about your setup. This will be useful to compare the setup with others. And this is the only text that's submitted with the results that will be published on our website when we get the test results online. Know that the test will take at least about 10 minutes depending on the performance of your setup. And once the test is done, you will be offered the option to submit the results. You can also do that later by going to Results and clicking the Submit Now button. In the list of performed tests, you can also go to the details of each test to see individual results and measured times. If you click to submit the results and enter your name and email address, this is only for us to be able to contact you if we have any questions about the results that you submitted. The tool will also receive the reference test results and compare your results to them, giving it a score. Here in the bottom you see the overall score, which tells you how much your setup is faster or slower than the reference setup. Likewise, the same value is calculated for every individual test. If you click the I button here, you will see more details about the environment which you are testing. And the same information is available for the reference setup as well. Are you ready to find out how fast your FileMaker server or hosting is?